It is super windy today. Yeah, I think I might take this inside because it's a little bit silly. We're gonna push on. I'm gonna do the sensor now, the little bit of wire for the loom. I'm gonna solder that on. But I think I'm gonna bring the car inside the garage here so that it's less windy. So yeah, let's do that. So we've got our soldering iron, just a cheap soldering iron to be fair, nothing special about that. Then we've got our cutters. You could use just this really, but I like these as well. We've got our bit of solder, our bit of loom that's going to go on there, and we've got some heat shrink somewhere which I don't know where it is. So we're going to get to fixing this, replacing this and making it work. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is I'm just going to put a little bit of loom cover over this so it can sit in here properly, because I don't want it vibrating on the actual wire itself, because when they start to crack they can cause faults up here. So sometimes you're getting faults up here and it can be your loom cracking or a split in the wire. So we're going to just try and address that, and then we can put this charge pipe back in. And if we've got some time, I will do this as well, just put all this back together so we can get it back on the road and functioning as we should. It's funny how like the really small jobs take so much time, but we're going to get it sorted, we're going to get it done. So let me just show you what we've done. We put the pipe back on, we've tidied up the little bit of loom at the back here, that's all tidied up. We've put the air filter box back in, and I found some screws, so that's nice and solid now. So we're back to a stage where we can actually just start working on the car and working out what's actually wrong with the car. Now, for some reason, don't know what it is, but the battery's going flat, so I've got to address that. We've still got top mounts, but really and truly what I want to work on right now is just the mechanical side of things. So we're talking about the engine management light. Yeah, that's the main thing I really want to work on, the engine management light, see if we can solve that, because I don't know what that is yet. Hopefully something simple and easy and we can just change it and it's over and done with. Then after that we've got a little bit more maintenance I want to do with the car as well. I also want to change the oil on it and the oil filter. I've got to give it oil service. It seems to be running quite well, but I'm not really happy with the colour of the oil. It's a bit dark and stuff. So, and also the top of the rocker cover gasket was quite dirty as well. So I think it could do with an oil change as well. Once we've done the oil change, I'm not sure what we're going to do. We're definitely going to do the top mounts at some stage or do something with them, but I'm not exactly sure what I want to do. So I'm open to suggestions now, suggestions and ideas. I'm opening the platform for you lot to give me an idea on what you want me to do, and if it's in a reasonable budget, I'll give it a go. I'll give it a go. Or if someone wants to sponsor me, I'll give it a go. Think about that. But yeah, I'll pretty much try anything on it. As you know, it's just a standard TT, you know, but I'm sure we can do something with it. I don't know if it's been remapped. I don't know anything like that really. I may change this because these give a lot of problems. Like they don't breathe properly and they can cause problems with the little bit of some of the grease we've got down there because it's part of the vacuum system, and if this isn't releasing into the turbo hose or the breather hose, whatever it is back there, it starts to force out pressurized oil from down there. Doesn't sound like it makes sense, but it makes sense to me. I'm gonna have to find a different way to explain it because when I say these things off the cuff, they don't really make sense. But that PCV not allowing it to breathe properly can cause pressure, back pressure, and mess and etc. So we've got to consider that. I've been a bit cheeky as well. I've done it again really. There was a split in this hose here. I just put a bit of duct tape around it really just to seal it up, just in case that could be throwing any lights. What else is there? Oh yeah, look. So this car here, what I'm seeing it do, look. See that? That rev count was quite lazy. I'm not really happy with that, if I'm being honest. It's a bit worrying really because that motor may need replacing as well as that one there. So let's try and do it again one more time. Oh, that was better. It could be because the battery's dead. But we need to sort this as well. So there's quite a few things still to do. But like I said, if anyone's got any ideas, I am open to ideas and suggestions what I want to do in there. But I'm just going to be looking forward to driving it a little bit really. I won't drive it properly until I have sorted out the oil, changed the oil and the oil filter, and hopefully, you know, we can start moving from there because I wouldn't mind driving it around a little bit, getting a feel how it feels. The clutch does feel a bit soft, but maybe maybe it's me, maybe it's not the clutch. Maybe I'll do a brake fluid change, maybe people want to see that. There's a lot of maybes right now, but the main thing is that I'm open to suggestions, I'm open to ideas. If there's any sponsors who want me to put stuff on the car to try it out and give my honest opinion, I won't lie to my subscribers. I will not lie to them. I will tell them if it's shit, I'll tell them it's shit. So you may not want, maybe you're too scared to actually try and subscribe to give me anything. I'd be scared because if it is shit, I'm gonna expose you. That's the craziest thing. Like, so I doubt any sponsors are gonna want to sponsor me unless they're really brave and really, really believe in their product. Apart from that, yeah, I'm just gonna just slowly put this thing together and hopefully I'll be driving this very, very shortly. There's nothing too terrible wrong with it, but yeah, hopefully I'm driving it really, really soon. Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, add to my Instagram, Facebook, all that good stuff. And yeah, we're back here again. See you later.